Say you're crocheting along and your pattern requires you to change color. There are multiple ways. Usually in crocheting in the round, you will change at the beginning of each round, so where your stitch marker is at. Here you can see I turned my work to make sure my tail from the beginning is inside the work. So to change color, it's a lot like changing previously. When you're crocheting a blanket or something like that, you start the stitch, then you pull out your hook, find your new color, hook it and pull it through, and finish out the stitch. Now the important part here is to make a new stitch almost immediately and crochet over the tails. This helps to lock in the new color and also helps to lock in the old color so the tail doesn't go flying everywhere. Place your stitch marker in the last stitch of the original color. Continue crocheting around over the tails to lock them into place. Once you've done a few stitches, you can cut the original color and continue crocheting over the tail. One thing to make sure of is that the tail is inside the work so that you don't have to sew it in later when you finish your project. Again, this does take a little practice, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't work the first few times.